Crimping. When you're crimping your projectile, you get a little heavy-handed or whatever. Forget to check your setup. Be a dumbass. You got this little guy right here. See, she's got a little bit too much as opposed to that one right there. Let's see if I can't measure this thing with one hand. There we go. 1.205. Now when you measure the heavy crimp, oh my gosh, look at that bad boy. 1.222. That's not bueno. So when you squeeze that bullet, she gets a little longer. What happens with that? Well, it ain't gonna fly straight. And you're gonna increase your pressure. Helpful hint. Food for thought.